All right. Hello, everyone. Recording's rolling, and this is the Custodian Community Meeting for February 6th. Welcome. Thanks for coming. I don't have a whole lot of stuff to talk through today. I guess one of the ones we should talk through first is that tomorrow is the Governance as Code Day, Cloud Custodian Day. If anyone happens to come across this, I'm assuming if you've joined the meeting, you're plugged in already and you're either registered or you're not coming. If anyone happens to see this recording before tomorrow, register quick because we'll have a full day of talks. The only agenda item I wanted to bring in is that I know we had a little bit of discussion in Slack about mailer breaking for someone after the latest release because their config was pointing to the Python 3.10 runtime. And it looked like some of the changes we made to default, I'll take the blame, this is on me, to set the default runtime to 3.11 and support 3.12. It involved a Redis change, which seems to have broken something on 3.10. The fix was going to 3.11. I've got to file a proper issue for it, but I did want to just ping if anyone who came today, have you come across any issues related to the Lambda runtime version bumps? If you're already using the release.
We haven't started using the new release yet.
Okay.
So,
yeah, same here. We ran a little bit of testing. It looked pretty good from what we were seeing, but yeah, we're going to be rolling out and upgrading probably in the next week or so.
Cool. All right. Well, yeah, thanks.
Our timeline is also potentially second week of Feb is when we are targeting a new release cut.
Okay. Yeah, this looks like something specific to using the latest mailer release and then having a config point to an older runtime. So it's maybe just as you're doing testing, it might be worth keeping that in mind, but I do want to get an issue filed just so it's a little more discoverable. Someone doesn't have to go search in Slack if they come across the same thing. But those are the big items from here. Anyone else on the call? Do you have any questions or issues or PRs you want to bring up?
AJ, a while back, we worked on that, what was it? Route 53 resolver rules, the VPC-centric resolver rules. I am planning to circle back on that. Sorry, I've been kind of waiting on that one, but I'll be coming back to that one probably in the next couple of weeks.
Sure thing. That was the one where you had a PR in and I had some review comments, which I honestly don't remember, but we can go take a look.
It was really just kind of some minor updates. I think it's more just like naming type stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just kind of like renaming some things. There might have been a couple logic changes, but yeah, I'll need to circle back on that.
Cool. That sounds good. Thanks. Also, Pratyush, you had something. There was someone else had an issue in Slack, and I got a PR together, and you approved it. So thanks. But you were also saying, I think in the approval, you said this was on our list to. What the heck was it about?
That was about
DynamoDB continuous backups. Was that the one?
Correct.
Okay.
So it was looking at the key, and for DynamoDBs where that key didn't exist, it was like just spawning out.
Yeah, but so something in your comment suggested that there was a list of fixes. Was there a list of issues that you had internally, or was that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have a list that I'm trying to like sort through. That's our internal list. A lot of them contains adding support for AWS Bedrock, a bunch of issues with regards to deleting ECS service. CloudWatch Alarm is also one wherein we are trying to figure out whether we want to have a filter on composite alarms, because alarms, if alarms are associated with other alarms, the delete action doesn't go through, and it's kind of failing on policies where we try to clean up unused or out of state CloudWatch alarms.
Okay. Okay, cool. But that's something you're kind of prioritizing or figuring out. And I just didn't know
Yes.
if I had jumped in front or missed some kind of other GitHub issue or PR or something that would have had other changes. Okay.
No, I think you're good. It was just in my list, and I was trying to see what should be prioritized from my standpoint. That's all.
Cool. All right, thanks for that. Anybody else? David, Stephen, anything from either of you? As it was, Stephen, you already said the some changes to that PR coming, but anything else?
Nope, I have nothing.
No.
Cool. All right, well, we can give you all some time. So who, David and Stephen, are you going to be around for tomorrow, the sessions tomorrow, Custodian Day?
I will. I'm presenting with Pratush.
Yeah, you are.
No, I wasn't aware. I was actually on vacation for the last couple of weeks. I think I missed an announcement. But yeah, it's just like a live, like a virtual type event?
Yeah, it's a virtual conference thing. It goes for a good portion of the Eastern Time day. Yeah, we'll make sure you get a link just in case you can make any of it. Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah, thanks.
Cool. Thank you. All right. Well, then we'll see some or all of you tomorrow. And have a good rest of the day.
You too. Thanks.
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 Take care.
Awesome. Thanks all.